Wait, these are all weeds?
Yes.
How do weeds get near here?
This is Rockwood South Middle School. This after-school activity is Chicken and Garden Club. We plant tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, but I think the zucchini are dead. I'm not sure.
We've just been setting the bedding up for the plants that we're going to be putting in. Normally we do peppers and tomatoes, so it's really fun.
I usually get the eggs, and then sometimes I go help with the chickens, like pick them up or something. And sometimes I go help like move dirt to like the new beds.
I really enjoy gardening. It's always been like a thing that I like. I love working with plants and stuff and like seeing how they grow and stuff. I'm really big into science. I love environmental stuff. So I started earlier in the year and I loved it so much. So.
A couple days ago, we planted cantaloupe and some pumpkins. So far, the pumpkins are growing very well, and they're actually inside. And we haven't placed any outside yet, but we're going to move the ones that are inside outside soon.
I feel like the environment is like a really big thing that humans should be more aware of and take care of more.
When I first started planting, we were told that whatever we plant, that's what we can bring home and eat. Sometimes I bring a couple eggs home to my house and I eat them, or we just buy them from the grocery store.